Very good morning, children. Welcome to CPS Virtual Learning class. So, today I'm taking a demonstration class for your EVS topic methods of preservation. As you all were asking some doubts about methods of preservation, so today I'm going to give you some examples so that you may understand it more clearly. ताकि आपको प्रिजर्वेशन और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए और आप अपने रियल लाइफ में क्या क्या चीजें यूज करते हैं प्रिजर्व्ड that you can understand. Okay, so let's start with this demonstration. It will be an interesting one. You will all will enjoy it. Okay, now many of you were asking me what is preservation. Preservation क्या होता है? Preservation word किससे बनता है? Preserve से. Preserve मतलब किसी भी चीज को बचाना. Like it includes those methods, preservation includes those methods which are used to preserve the food for long time. मतलब हमें अगर if you want to save the food from wasting, अगर हमें फूड को वेस्ट होने से बचाना है, and if we want to store the food for long time, we have to use some method of preservation. हमें कोई ना कोई preservation का method use करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so I hope you all have understood what is preservation. Preservation basically कोई भी method, कोई भी तरीका अपने फूड को लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए बचाने का. Okay, so we have various types of preservation methods today. One by one we will understand about each of them. Okay, now first one is pickling. Pickling. I have some examples like chili pickle. Pickle मतलब अचार. Okay, so pickling is a method जिसमें हम अलग अलग different types of vegetables को लंबे टाइम के लिए for long period of time we can store them by pickling them. I can give you an example. See, can you all see this? What is this? Yes, this is a pickle of chili. So, as we all have done the pickling of chilies, so they are now ready to store for long period of time, for many years. At least for 2 to 3 years they can be stored easily, even for more than that. हम इन्हें लंबे टाइम के लिए एटलीस्ट 2 years के लिए तो स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. So this is a very good method of pickling vegetables. Okay, but pickling can be done with only few vegetables. Okay, now two more methods are used for preserving the pickles. Pickles में two methods और use होते हैं. One is salting also. Like if you generally see, pickles have high amount of salt content. उसमें नमक salt थोड़ा सा तेज होता है, higher side पे होता है. Because salt helps in preventing the bacteria and fungi in growing. वो फंगस और बैक्टीरिया को ग्रो होने से बचाता है. So that is the reason pickles में generally we have salting method also. Salting का method भी use किया जाता है pickles को preserve करने के लिए. And one more method is used in pickles to store, that is oiling. If you can see this in this pickle, we have lot of oil in this pickle. Why? Because it will help in actually the fungus generally gathers on the surface, but if we have lot of oil, it will not gather on the surface of the food items. Okay, so these three methods are basically used in pickles. Now, next is sun drying. Salting we have already understood. Salting is also used in various kinds of other food items, like the packed food items we eat. So in those methods, those things also, I can give you an example of cheese. If we eat cheese, we have cheese. Cheese में भी salting का method use होता है to store it for long period of time. Now sun drying. Sun drying means to dry some food items under the sun. सन रेज के, सन की हीट से फूड आइटम्स को ड्राई करना. I can give you one example for that. These two examples I have given here. Dry fruits are there, dry spices are there. So can you all, do you all know what is this? These are the raisins, जिसको हम किशमिश भी बोलते हैं. These are the raisins. And ये अगर ग्रीन होती तो ये क्या बनी हुई होती? सी, जो ग्रेप्स होते हैं, व्हेन वी सन ड्राई द ग्रेप्स, अगर जब हम ग्रेप्स को सन ड्राई करते हैं, धूप में सुखाते हैं, तो दे बिकम रेसिन्स, वो किशमिश बन जाती है. सो दैट्स अ वेरी गुड एग्जांपल ऑफ सन ड्राइंग. एंड जो स्पाइसेस, द स्पाइसेस विच वी यूज इन आवर डेली लाइफ, दे आर ऑल्सो द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ सन ड्राइंग. वो भी सन के अंदर ड्राई करके उनको ग्राइंड किया जाता है. So there are various examples of sun drying. Okay, now next is canning. Canning means, see, there are some kind of preservatives and liquids in which fruits are preserved in airtight cans. Cans form में fruits को, fishes को, and there are various other food items which are preserved so that they can be used for long time, for long period of time. Okay. Now next is sweetening. If I give you one example of sweetening, see, what is this? Sorry, it's a jam. So it's a very good example of sweetening. It has some preservatives also, but due to the sweetness, it can be stored for long time. And jellies are also there. Okay. Next is freezing. Freezing क्या होता है? Freezing is the most common example which we can see in all our houses. हम सबके houses में freezing method use होता है in the form of refrigerator. If you open your refrigerator, you can see all various kinds of fruits, vegetables, dry fruits are also preserved in refrigerator. Even the, if you see the some types of frozen corns, frozen peas, उनको भी store किया जाता है. And there are some kind of ready-made foods also, which are ready to fry. They are also stored and preserved with the help of freezing. Okay. Now, oiling we have already discussed. Next is pasteurization. Someone was asking me about the meaning of pasteurization. See, pasteurization क्या होता है? Generally, the milk which we get from our milkmen or from the packets, जो भी milk हमें मिलता है, it has some bacterias in it. So, to remove those bacterias, उन bacterias को remove करने के लिए, what we have to do? We have to heat the milk at high temperature for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Then, after heating it, after it starts boiling, we have to switch it off and just let it cool down. उसको ठंडा होने दिया जाता है. Then all the bacteria which are present in the milk are destroyed. Okay, so pasteurization is basically used to destroy the bacteria in the milk, and with the help of pasteurization, we can also store the milk. Because if we store the raw milk which we get from the milkman or from the packets, if we store that milk, it will not stay for long time. But the milk which is already pasteurized or boiled, it can store at least more longer time than the other one. Okay, ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा time के लिए आप रख सकते हो boiled milk को. Then next is adding preservatives. This method is used in almost all preserved items, preserved food items like sauce. Sauce is there. If we see the sausage, we can see the contents here. So there are some preservatives also which are added in the sauce. Then juices are there. जो juice हम पीते हैं, if you see that these kinds of juices are how can they be stored and they cannot they are not spoiled for long period of time? The reason is because these kinds of food have lot of preservatives in them. इनके अंदर बहुत सारे preservatives होते हैं जिसकी वजह से ये लंबे टाइम तक लॉन्ग टाइम तक स्टोर किए जा सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लास्ट पॉइंट इज मशीन ड्राइंग. See, machine drying means, one, I have told you about sun drying. You all have understood about it. Next is machine drying. So there are various kinds of machines in which liquids are poured, liquids डाले जाते हैं, and those liquids are, some preservatives are added, and उन machines के अंदर उनके अंदर का moisture निकाल के उनको जो liquids होते हैं उनको powder form में convert कर दिया जाता है, उनको powder form में बना दिया जाता है. I can give you one example here. See, I have one powder glucose. If you all can see, this is a powder glucose. So it was not powdered from the starting. It was done machine drying method. Machine drying method was done with this powder glucose. So there is one more example here about machine drying, which is milk powder. There are various kinds of packets which we get from the market, like Everyday company, like Everyday we have, which sells powder, milk powder. So how do they produce milk powder from a liquid? So there is a kind of machine in which drying is done and it becomes a milk powder. So I hope you all have understood about this topic very clearly. If you have any other doubt still now, you can also ask me now. Okay, and tell me that, are you all getting all the points? आपको सारे points समझ में आ गए easily? Or any doubt is still left? Just tell me in the comments. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.